Hello, today we're going to look at finding the perimeter or the area. I mean, not or, but the perimeter and the area of a shape or a polygon, I guess. A shape, let's call it a shape. And it's basically a regular shape like a square and a rectangle, that kind of stuff. Simple stuff. So let's say we have a rectangle. Oops. Sorry guys. Not very good at drawing. Alright, so let's say that's a rectangle. Of course it's not perfect and it has two dimensions of 2, and let's say this is 4. Okay, so for perimeter we basically have to look at the boundary, which is whatever is around. And let's imagine this is like some kind of field, a soccer field, football field. And let's say you have to walk around it on the border. So you would walk 4 units and then 2 units and 4 again and 2 units. So that's actually what we say a perimeter is, or what we call a perimeter. So for this we have to add the borders, the measurements of the borders. So we have, let's say we have this is 4 plus this, that's 2, plus this part, another 4, plus this part, which is another 2. And then we add them together. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 2 equals 12. So that's actually our perimeter. This is equal to the perimeter. There you go, perimeter. And that's pretty much it. In case they give you the dimensions or the measurements in inches, or in some other feet or whatever other measurement that they're using. So let's say this would be basically 12. Let's say if it's in feet, 12 feet. So basically this will be 12 feet. And it's not actually square. Some people might get confused by putting 12 squared foot or feet. But it's not squared because we're not measuring an actual area. We're actually just measuring the length of how long this walk around this shape is. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's move on to area. Let's say for the same shape we got to take the area. So we have 4 and we have 4 and 2 and 2. So the area is actually, let's draw it out. And oops. So this shape has basically 1, 2, 3, 4 units of whatever the measurement is, and then 2 units down of whatever the measurement is. So we can say that this is 4 by 2 and is equaled 8. So the area of this would be 8. And we're talking about squared or area, this space, actual area. So if we're talking about feet, you would actually say 8 feet or 8 squared feet, or you can just write it as SQ FT, squared foot or feet. And that's just me. It just means that it's an actual area. It's actually an area, and it's not a length. It's also not a volume, so it's just like a flat unit of measurement. And that's pretty much it. And that means that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these units. And that's the area. Okay, so basically that's pretty much it for perimeter and area. This is how you spell it. Equals the area. And subscribe, dislike, comment if you have questions or if you want to comment. That's pretty much it, guys. Have a good day. Hopefully you learned or it helped with your homework or something. Have a good day.